The bad guys have an opportunity to do in the B places that we don't even know about. The reason why we do penetration testing is simply for the fact that we want to be able to identify where we are at this moment of time, number one, where our vulnerabilities are, okay, and where we could be doing much better. We need to look at the home user. We need to look at the cloud. We need to look at physical security. We need to look at on-prem and everything else in between.
And the main difference between the vulnerability assessment and the pen test is the human run element. So pen testing is human run manual assessment. The hacker versus the pen tester. A hacker has a lot more time to get into your environment. You may not even know it, where a penetration tester has a limited window where they're going after your network. So we want to make sure we have the right people who can do this quickly in the best way.
For us, penetration testing is where we emulate an attacker. And Laura, you kind of mentioned, you can use that line of automated versus manual. We get to model the threat, and whether it's external, internal, wireless, physical, mobile, application, for us, it's usually about where we started.
We try to make the process faster so that you can remediate your risks smarter and make your security stronger ultimately, of course. So we have a platform, and then we have a network of pen testers, and then your report's delivered within 72 hours of the completion date. Okay, you know what your vulnerabilities are. You chose to remediate some, you chose to accept others, but then you went back into Cobalt, you click ready to retest, the pen tester goes back in, retests for free, and then it shows in the report that it's been fixed. So you can show whatever stakeholders need to know that you are improving that security over time.
We bring a unique perspective as both offense and defense because we do security monitoring. We bring the strategy side to the information security realm because we do vCISO, but we bring more of a technologist approach to information security. As a solutions integrator, there's a lot that we can bring to the remediation side and a good understanding of when we make a recommendation, what that's going to translate to you and your organization practically.
A pen test is a point of time. It's to keep your company secure all the time. A pen test is not going to do that. The only thing that's going to do that is managed services. That's it, period. Don't sit on your butt. Call Lauren, call Matt. Call Ghostbusters. Get active, okay?
To start a free trial from any of these solution partners, send an email to freetrial@who'sinyour.cloud and sign up for our free cybersecurity risk assessment at who'sinyour.cloud.